Hey guys, it's Red. So I'm coming today to show you guys some desktop customization, more leaning toward your icons. So some software I'm going to be using today is GIMP, and that's a free software tool that you can use. Um, and I'll also be using the Registry editor. That's not a tool; it's just part of Windows, but just let you know what we're going through and what we're changing. So for example, you can see my Discord icon here. This is a custom icon I made, and I made some adjustments to one I found online. So I didn't make all of it, but I liked the one that was posted. I made some adjustments and made it an icon instead of the default Discord. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to change our registry, and then second, we'll go into GIMP and make a icon. So first, getting out of our registry, you go into the registry editor. And within the registry editor, you need to open hotkey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and Explorer. And within Excite Explorer, we need to create a folder called shell icons. So you'll right click, new, key. Within here, we're going to do new string value, which will be this. And you're going to call it 29. I'm going to paste this value data inside the description so you don't have to try to type it out by hand or watch the video and go back and forth. That you can just copy and paste. And then you're going to need to log out. You're going to either need to log out or restart your computer. So log out, log back in, and then all your shortcuts, which would normally have a little arrow on the bottom left, will be gone. And that'll be it. And you'll remove those. So now we have that. So now you don't know what are so-called shortcuts by Windows, but it looks a lot cleaner. And let's say there was an icon you didn't like for the Epic Game Store, for example. I would recommend finding a very high quality photo and something that is not overly busy, something very simplistic. So we're going to need to open GIMP, and you're going to click File, New. The width and height can be 256 by pixels. Go into the Advanced Options, go with the Fill Width, Transparency. You don't have to do that, but I enjoy having transparency so that it looks cleaner and it doesn't look so, just tacky, I think. So now we have this transparent project. And let's say for Epic Games, I really want to have a llama. So for already this photo specifically, when I saved it, it already had a transparent background, but this photo is way too big, and I just want the llama itself. So we're going to select the llama. I was using the rectangle selection. I'm going to use the move tool, select it, Control C, go to your project. Now we have it. But you can see it's way too big. So we're going to right click, go to layer, go to scale layer, pick the larger of the two values. So this one for this layer is 632 and the width is 352. But I want to scale the height to match, because if I scale the width, the height's still going to be outside the boundaries. So I pick the larger of the two values to match my project, and it will auto scale with this lock. You don't have to do that, but I think it's probably a great idea. Otherwise, it's going to look really funny. So go ahead and scale, and now it's inside our project. Go ahead and go back to the rectangular selector. So now the whole project's now selected. The layer is now joined to our project. And click File, Export As, Project, name it whatever you like. It needs to be an extension of an ICO file, otherwise you cannot change the icon. So it's an ICO extension. You're going to export it. So now we have the Epic Store and here's another note too for each of these shortcuts and folders. So if you create a new folder and you're just like, I really don't like that folder icon, I want my own folder, like Donkey Kong hopping out of it. you right click on folders, click project, go to customize, change icon, browse for that file. For shortcuts, it's a little different. You'll right click on the shortcut, go to properties, and it'll be on the main page. Shortcut, change icon. We're going to browse. Here's this one. Click open, click OK, click apply. You might get a pop-up for it. Click OK, and now it's applied. So now we have a new customized icon, and that's it. It's pretty simple, and the nice thing is you can do it with free software like GIMP. You can also do it with Photoshop and some other photo editing tools out there. And this is just a quick, easy way to make some more customization to your desktop. And if you have any questions or comments, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But hit the subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks.